Here is a 4-foot mounting option for our fans. It's 4 foot wide. This is the fixed width. It's 46.5 inches wide. It goes right between 48 inches on center trusses. So it makes it real easy. You mount this in here, then you come bolt the fan fast. You have this mounted, and then you come bring the fan up underneath and bolt it fast, and there's 4 bolts altogether. And if you need more drop, we have different drop tubes. This one is about 3 feet long. You can just set it on top and then set the bracket on top. This is a 48-inch adjustable mount. It's the same as the non-adjustable, except you can slide it in and out, and it's made to install after the ceiling is in. This goes up in the trusses. You can take it apart, go up in the trusses and mount it, and then bring the fan up underneath and pinch the ceiling in between here, and then you bring it up underneath. You're going to need 2 people to do it, and then put the bolt and bolt it together with the ceiling right through here. And if you need more room, you can put the drop pipe in to bring the fan down farther away, and we have between 1 and 8 foot drop pipes available. The drop pipes, see, these drop pipes can be used with any of the AmeriWind fans, and you can stack them or order longer ones. We have them available between 1 and 8 feet long, and you can come as far as you want. One thing to remember about them is you need to use guy wires, because as you stack this further, it gets wobblier. So if you have a long drop pipes more than about 2 foot long, you're always going to need guy wires to fasten to stabilize the fan. Otherwise, it's going to swing.